Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could easily fix Instagram search not working. So if you are having a glitch on searching something on Instagram and you wanna fix that out, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply check whether you are using the up-to-date version of the app or not. For that, simply head towards the Play Store. Once you are on the Play Store, what you have to do is to simply tap on the search bar icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you have to tap on the search bar at the top and search for Instagram. Here you just have to make sure that you are using the up-to-date version of the app, because updating the app usually fixes all the bugs and glitches inside the app, and most of the time the issue is resolved. So if you are still encountering the issue, but you have to go back, head towards your Instagram app, and here you have to simply tap and hold the app. You'll get a little pop-up. So from the pop-up, head towards app info. From the app info, you will get the option of storage and cache. Here you simply have to clear out the storage and cache, because it usually fixes all the bugs and glitches inside the app, and you will get a smooth running application. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.